Hey everyone, it's Nick with Us versus Herd. If it's your first time here, you like the content, hit subscribe. If you want to get notification for when we post videos, tap the bell. And if you want to join the UVH fam, links are below to our Discord and our free options trading group in the description. What we're going to be doing today is looking at Webull options trading. I just got access and I guess got approved for Webull options trading here. What you see here is my iPad, and I have never executed a options trade through Webull. This is going to be my first time just going through it. Right now it is beta, so we are options trading through Webull beta. So I don't know if this thing works or not works, and we're just going to kind of play it by ear. They're still gearing up for the official launch, and we are still they just gave me approval to test it out, and I know that they are letting people in that already RSVP'd. If you already had access, let me know in the comments what you think about it, but I just got access, so I'm going to give it a shot. So I'm just going to be going off my iPad here. I'm just streaming this to my desktop. Now for this, I just have a very small account on Webull. There's just a couple $100 in here. I don't currently have any positions open, so let's just kind of see how this goes here. I will be trading SPY. Now what I trade in here, I don't think it's going to make money, just for example purposes only. This video is just for example purposes. I'm not trying to make money. I'm just trying to see how all this works. So I'm just going to click on SPY. So I'm just going to try to buy some contracts on SPY and see how it goes. Right now, SPY is moving on up, currently up 89 cents. You will see down here a new button that's for options. It says options is kind of covered up. Little glitch on the iPad. They need to remove this bar here, but it says options here. Now this is the same thing on your iPhone or Android phone. And I did test. I did check it out. It does work. Options do work on the web platform, but I didn't see that they worked on the. They weren't working on the desktop platform. So we'll cover that in a bit. We'll bring the desktop version in here. So let's just try to purchase a contract. The one thing that you will notice here, I was kind of scoping this out before I did it. Unlike Robinhood, they do allow you to trade same day expirations. Today is December 11th. It's a Wednesday, and they do, as you can see here, allow you to buy and sell contracts on December 11th. Now, the only caveat to this is you see this little blue symbol up in here. Now, with options approval, they don't give you access to real-time quotes for options. So as you can see here, the quotes are not changing. So they actually, if I tap on this blue little icon up here by where it says SPY, if I click on this, it says the quotes are delayed by 15 minutes and are for reference only. For real-time quotes, you can subscribe to the Oprah real-time data, and this will take me here. And so for the quotes, so yes, options trading is free commissions, but they make you pay for the quotes. So for this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and subscribe for $2.99 a month. And I guess at the end of the day, if Webull is good, $2.99 a month is not gonna kill you, to kind of bypass the free commissions. Do you use Market Daily for personal use? Yes. To receive? No. So let's just go through this. Are you currently registered or qualified with the SEC? Are you currently registered or qualified with any securities agency? No. Whether you are located outside the United States or within? No. Are you engaged to provide investment advice to any individual or entity? No. Are you engaged as an assets manager? No. Do you use the capital of any other individual? No. Do you conduct trading for the benefit of a corporation? No. Have you entered into any agreement to share the profit? No. Are you receiving office space? No. Okay. Oh, geez. Okay, so let me just fill this out here real quick. But yeah, this is definitely a hassle. So I'm actually going to block this stuff out because it has my personal information in it. But yeah, definitely slows you down. So let me just do this real quick. So you have to, okay. While we're doing this, guys, if you are enjoying the video or you do like the content, please hit the like button. I would definitely appreciate it. Come on. Probably should have done this before. But I wanted it to be like a raw, unique experience. You know, this is my first time going through it. So it's kind of a bummer they don't give you real-time quotes out the get. We'll see what happens. Don't disappoint me, Webull. You know, Robinhood needs a strong competitor so they can get better. Okay, so we're almost done here. Let me just pay now. So I guess it's a subscription through Apple. Purchase is all set. Okay. Okay. We just ordered that for $2.99. All right, let's try to put a SPY order in now. So I'm going to try to put an SPY order in now. So I'm going to go down to options, and you're going to see the options chain here. First, I'm going to put in an order just to put in an order. I'm going to cancel. I'm going to lowball it. I'm actually just going to buy these 321 calls here. I'm going to hit the ask. I'm just going to bring it down to like 1 cent so I don't want to get filled. Just to kind of see what the flow is, see how it works. I'm going to hit buy here. So I'm going to try to buy one of these calls here for 321 calls for 1 penny. Hit confirm. Okay, nice. So it looks like it went down here into the orders. You can see there my order. You can see that this wasn't filled, so that's pretty nice. You can see how many 0 were filled out of 1. Let's click on this little icon. I think that's to cancel it. Sure you want to cancel, hit yes. Okay, nice. Okay, so now let's try to actually put in a real order here. We're coming up in power hour here, so let's see how this goes. Let's try to buy the 320s for, let's just say 11 cents here. Buy the 320s for 11 cents. Hit the try to hit the mid price here. Looks like it's right at 11 cents here. These are up quite a bit today. So let's try to, let's just hit buy. We'll hit limit. Hit buy. Confirm. Okay. Looks like, yeah, that one was filled pretty quick. Let's go into my positions. Okay, so I have one position here for 11 cents. Let's try to sell it now. Let's click on here. See if that brings us into our portfolio. Okay, nice. So that will actually bring you into the position so you can see how much it's worth. You can see that's fluctuating here at the top. And you can see the order flow. So pretty interesting how many options here, how many options over here on the left-hand side and on the right. So pretty interesting. I'm just going to sell this. I'm just going to lose the 10 cents and see how it goes, kind of see how the flow is. So let me just hit sell here. Doesn't look like the option pricing is changing too much because the bid's still 10 and the ask is still 11. So let me just hit sell. So I'm going to lose $1 on this, but sell. Filled. Nice. So I do like the order execution. Let's see if we can do like a complex strategy. If we can select more than one option at a time. Let's see here. We'll hit the ask on. So let's see how to. And it's nice. It's nice here. It does show how many day trades that you have left here. So it does show you how many day trades. So I just burned a day trade. So since I have under 25K, I'm under the PDT rule on this account because we're just testing things out here. But we got only 2 day trades. So that's nice. It shows that I just burned a day trade. So let's see. I don't know how to So like I said, this is just beta, so we're just trying to figure this out. I don't think it allows me to select more than one option or do a complex strategy right now. So we can do straddle view, we can do list view, calls, select puts. Okay, that's interesting. So this is more like so the list view is more like Robinhood versus the straddle view is more like everyone else in terms of an options trading. This is what this is what I'm used to. So I do like this. Let's see how things are moving. So that's actually pretty easy to execute in order. One thing I will say is it's kind of a shame that they make you pay for the real-time quotes, because I mean, like, who's going to want 15-minute delayed quotes on options trading? Like, you can't trade options with a 15-minute delay. Like, what are you gonna do unless you're looking on like Thinkorswim and then you put the order in for what you want it now? The only way that I could see that it would work. But if you're just exclusively trading on Webull, let's try to buy. Let's burn another day trade. Comments. So let's try to buy another. I'm actually just going to put an order in for. Let's try it. I don't like that the one thing I don't like is that the ask is the left column and the bid is the right column. Usually it goes bid and then ask, more like on the it's supposed to look like this, but I guess that's the way it. It's supposed to look bid and then ask on the put side, as it should be bid and then ask over here. So I'm not really a fan of that, and it looks like there's no way for me to customize that. It does let me put in up to, see, I can get all of them, or I can get 20 strikes there. Okay. So it is kind of interesting. You can like limit, so you can like select these to remove the calls or add the calls. So if I only want to look at calls, I just deselect the puts. Now I'm only looking at calls versus both, and then vice versa. So that's kind of nice. But I don't think we can do a strangle in one order here. It doesn't look like. Let me just try again. Let me just try to do something out of the money here. Let me try to get the 320 call again and try to add in the puts. So doesn't look like I'm able to do that. So you're gonna have to piecemeal these separately. So, I know this is just beta, but looking like execution on here, there's a couple things. So you're only going to be able, you're gonna have to get real-time quotes to be able to do an order on here, and you're only going to be able to buy a call, buy a put. You can piecemeal things together, but doesn't look like you can do advanced strategies yet. So I would definitely will be making more videos about this. If you guys like the content, if you want to join Webull, use a link in my description. We both get free stocks if you join with the referral code, so I definitely appreciate that. If not, no big deal. I will be making more videos regarding Webull and options trading and seeing how this platform comes together as it gets out of beta and more people are using it. So we'll definitely see. If you guys like the content, hit the like button. As always, stay safe, stay green. It's us versus herd.